Here I've got XIAOMI Mi A3 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So we will start with the first method, the quickest one. At first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And that's it. As you can see, both IMEI numbers and also serial number are just in front of you. Click on OK to go back. And the second method, a bit longer, is opening those numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Now if you will scroll a bit lower, you will notice both IMEI numbers for your device, and if you will click on Model and Hardware, you will also notice serial number. And that would be all. This is how you can locate both numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.